We're gonna go inside and get Oaky the owl out of his chamber. He's so excited you'll hear him hoot. Hello. Hi. Did you miss me? I missed you. Okay. We're gonna get his Jessies here. He gets a little nervous. He'll jump on my shoulder here in just a little bit, but I'm gonna put this leash through his Jessies. I do that just when I transport him outside. But you'll see that he jumps on my shoulder. He gets so excited. Hello. And the sign that he's hooting a lot, that is a sign that he's really happy. And his hoots mean different things. Right now when he goes and he does that over and over, that's his excitement sound, like his happiness. So we're about to go on a live right now where we're going to stream this waterfall hike to this Icy Waterfall. It's going to be so fun. So we're going to bring you along and check out us on our YouTube channel and come along for our fun adventures. Okay, you want to go on a hike to an Icy Waterfall? What do you think? Oh, yeah, he says yes for sure. Today is hard, but
I just got my own.
day was like going. Is there anything that I can do for you? Being present
outside, doing
I just
9 yards. I love nature, so.
yeah.
Anywho, going on. You actually put that on your, screw it onto your tripod. So
Oh, that's so rad. Just that ambient light.
If you ever wanted to do pictures.
Yeah. That's where we're filming. To a beautiful waterfall. And I needed to get Oaky out of the house from scratch. And it's because of you guys, so thank you. You guys are just amazing. Oaky, what do you say? I'm gonna show you the scenery. Huh? Oh my gosh, and it's a 100-foot fall. And just look how beautiful it is around here. I'm gonna show you guys. Look at that. Isn't that just so beautiful? So we're going up to a beautiful waterfall. It's a 100-foot fall. And Oaky loves to get out like this and go on hikes. And you see how he's pushing into my head like this? This is a sign that he is like hugging me. This is like equivalent to a hug for an owl. Okay, so Steve, you are asking what are the rules to own an owl out in Arizona. You would, if any state, they all have their own guidelines on TikTok. I forgot my camera bag. It's totally my fault. And so This is just for our unique YouTube viewers, subscribers. We love you guys so much. And we want to bring you guys on this beautiful hike with us. Hi, Bill. Nice to see you guys. I hope you guys have had a wonderful, beautiful Christmas. And now that the dust is settling after the rush of Christmas, I'm hoping that this can, for all of us, be a time to reflect on what it is that we're purging that no longer serves us and what we are gravitating towards, which will serve our highest and best interest. 2024 is going to be an amazing year. It's going to be an amazing year, the best year ever. Hi, Sonova. Hello, Emily Wilson. Owls are your spirit animal, and ever since you found you, Oaky has been such a blessing. Oh, I'm so glad. I hope that Oaky is a blessing to all of you guys, and he makes your day a little brighter. He is the most beautiful owl on this planet. He's a 3.5-year-old male. Woo, great horn. We're walking on ice. Look at this ice. Okay, oh, look at the scenery. Can you see the snow up on those mountains? Isn't it so beautiful? Oh, I hope this makes your guys' day a little bit brighter. And I'm glad that we get to share this with you. Oaky is really enjoying sitting on my shoulder. He is giving me an owl hug right here. You can see how he's like pushing into my head. That is him trying to show affection. Oh, thank you, Deborah. You and Oaky make your heart so happy. Leslie, do you know, is there any way for me to mod for you on TikTok? Yes. Hi, Maiden. Send me a message, a DM, and I would love to get in touch with you. And I also would love just to send you a bracelet, a beautiful gemstone bracelet from Oaky to you, to Maiden. So I will watch for you on my messages, okay? We'll get in touch, girl. Do you guys love the snow? I don't know if there's snow where you guys are, but this is beautiful. I hope you can see it and enjoy it. Look at this like orb that's just following us around like through the screen. It's kind of interesting. All right. Okay, oh, you gotta see this. That is like an icy river. Is that so pretty? Oh, we are in Utah, Angel. Look at that. Been increasing. We became a partner just over the weekend, like so fast. Our channel went from like we're up to 30,000. It's just growing. And it's not about the numbers. It's about the fact that we're getting a response, that people are liking what we're doing. And we have really cool things planned for you guys. So stay tuned, huh, Oaky? Isn't he so cute? Okay, so Brandy, you asked if you could see pictures of Oaky when he was a baby. I would love to get those to you. This year, it's a weirdo ex, huh, Tiger? Sure. Yeah. Well, that's what happens, you know, when you leave someone They don't want to take accountability. They just want to hurt and take. Here, Daly, can you hold this? I need to get him down, but I'll need 2 hands. Okay. Thank you. All right, we're back. That was a little crazy, all right? The owl decided to go rock climbing, and now the dog's like super excited. He's so excited. Utah has grizzly bears. Yes, we have grizzly bears, yes. And we have bobcats, a lot of bobcats. Tons of great horned owls, mountain lions. Yeah, lots of big cats around here. Elk. Yeah, it's a beautiful state. I love it. But it feels good to get out. You guys, guess what? I'm gonna just tell you, you know why I love being out here? So, oh, the waterfall's coming up and you're gonna love it. Last year I was in a wheelchair from a paramotor accident. I broke my entire back in 5 places, my pelvis everywhere, like imploded, okay? I fell from a huge paramotor accident and I was never gonna be able to walk again. And I've pushed myself out of a wheelchair onto a walker, onto a cane, and pushing myself so dang hard. So to be able to use these feet like this and to be able to walk, it's a dream come true by the grace of God. Da-da-da. It's okay, you guys, no sorries. I'm so grateful to be alive. I'm so grateful to be here. When I went through that experience, and I actually had a near-death experience during that accident where I was given the chance to come back in my body or not. And I was told I was going to experience unbelievable pain and if I'd be willing to do it. I had a very beautiful experience. And so coming back in my body, I knew was my choice, and it still is. I'm grateful to be here. That's my son, you guys. He is a stud. He has helped me so much on our videos, and he's the whole reason why these are getting edited, and he's like standing by my side, believing in me. Hi, guys. Anyways, I'm just gonna make sure that the owl stays nice and tight. I don't think I'm gonna go all the way down. Okay, I'm gonna turn this around. Hold on. Please pause.
Bird, yeah.
Hi. Oh, we have some visitors. It's so fun. Oh my gosh, I love being alive, and I'm so grateful to be on this planet. And I'm so grateful to have the opportunity just to spread good energy your way. And I hope that this amazing owl is spreading good energy and love to you guys as well. Follow your dreams, no matter as crazy as they sound. People thought I was crazy. Whoa. I want to laugh when someone like bips it, but that was kind of funny. Okay. Here's the waterfall. Hi! We have someone that wants to meet Oaky. Do you guys want to see? Hi! Phineas, what's your name?
His name's Finian.
Finian?
Yeah.
Hi, Finian. No. It's okay.
He's like mostly nonverbal.
It's okay.
Like verbal, but
yeah, it's
we're
okay.
still learning. So.
It's okay. You just say hi to the owl.
Say hi.
Say hi. It's okay.
Say hi.
Hi. Oh, I love meeting new people like this. Oh, did you hear the owl? He just said hi to you. Did you hear him go, whoo, 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 whoo? That means he likes you. Oh, see, careful, careful. Catch him, catch him, catch him. That was like the safe spot.
He's pretty.
Okay.
He's normally pretty sure-footed. Thank you.
Because he fell just barely right now. Oh, it makes me scared.
I said when I feel like I'm falling, he's just walking.
Yeah.
I know. I'm like, I give him a stick with a spike. He's like, what do I need this for?
Look how cute he is. Hey, Finian, can you wave over here? Finian. Look how cute he is. He's like the waterfall. He is so cute.
I don't think it's 100 feet. I would say it's probably 30 to 40.
No. We have some more visitors. All right. I think I'm going to go back up here. Dennis, I need to hold on. Hey, can you go get him right there? Woo! I gotta go underneath those. Is that pretty? Oh my gosh. I'm hoping that you guys had a wonderful Christmas and that this time of the new year can be a refreshing start. Let go of what no longer serves you and claim the things that... Yes, do we still have a P.O. box for packages? Hi, yes, Space Cat. We do. It's in our link tree is our P.O. box. If you go there, we will be checking that as well. Happy New Year's to everybody. Make this the best year of your entire life. He's out here on a beautiful hike with me. And this cave, do you want to see this cool bobcat cave? We have bobcats here in Utah. Look at this. Wow. And that's an icy river. And look how grateful to be alive. I'm sorry, sometimes it does cut out because we are in the mountains on a hike. Happy New Year's to you too. Thank you, Bill. Thank you, Ryan. Thank you so much, Mag. This bridge. Look at this bridge. See? Look at this pretty icy river. Is that so pretty? I mean, freaking so pretty. Hold on. Happy New Year's, Deborah, as well. You guys are amazing. I'm not keeping up with all the comments. They're just flying in. Thank you so much again for all of our new subscribers. This has just been such a great community. Thank you for the watch hours going up and helping our community grow. We became affiliated over the weekend and it is growing super fast thanks to all of you guys. And oh, she just is stopping to get some pictures at the river and I have some other friends. So we are out here with a groupie, huh? Life is good. I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful. Praise the Lord. Aww. He wanted to jump on. Look, he wanted to jump on the tree. That is one thing I do love to do. Look at his cute talons there. He loves it outside. He loves it. You understand the owls are good at fishing. Okay, you'd probably go for a big trout from that stream. Yes, owls are very good at fishing. They are the most efficient animals. They eat everything, even other owls, hawks, falcon, rabbit. Oh, okay, you guys want to see something pretty? Wow. This is cool. What do you think? Isn't it so pretty? I love it. It is chilly out here with all this ice. Have some visitors. We would normally go talk to him, but there is an ice threshold separating us. I choose safety first. Ah, hold on, hold on. While I turn off my camera. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, isn't that amazing that owls would kill an eagle? They will kill something up to 3 times their size, and their talon strength is the power of 2 pit bulls. That's how strong their talon strength is. The way they kill their prey is it's instant death, that they use to break the neck of their prey, and then after their prey die, then they eat them. So each animal kills them differently. When I pass people, I don't like to be like on my phone, because I don't like to be like one of those, you know, like on your phone all the time. You want to see something so pretty? Look at this. Yeah, female owls are even more dominant than the male owls. You are right, John, because they're bigger. All female birds of prey are bigger and dominant over the males. So that means that we need to get walking because it's getting dusk, and this is when other owls will start to come out. Isn't that so pretty? So yeah, we're gonna just be walking a little bit quickly so that we can get out of the way and get back to the car. Do you have a shoulder pad? Oh no. Do you have a shoulder pad? That's another question. Let me look at it. I'm trying to keep up with all these questions. Wow. Yeah. But yes, we are going upward and onward and still gonna spread our light and love. You know, when somebody wants to stop your purpose from going forward, they want to take away your voice, and right there is a sign that only hurt people hurt people. It just is what it is. I'm gonna be streaming later on tonight at home. I'm gonna be doing evening coffee and just be chilling. Time of year. This is the favorite time of year for the great horned owls. This is when they're mating, and in fact, all the great horned owls are sitting on eggs this time of year. So that hoot that you've been hearing, that was them calling in their mates. And in about February time frame, you'll be seeing a lot of the babies that are going to be branching on the trees. Back to you guys as well. And, you know, it takes one to know one. And so you obviously have a beautiful, loving heart for the same things. How far can an owl hear? Bill, so an owl can hear a mouse up to 700 feet away without ever seeing it, just underneath the leaves and snow. And it can have a 65% kill rate just by hearing it 700 feet away. So amazing hearing, 35 times stronger than a human. Yeah, so will I go live on TikTok tonight? I will. I forgot my camera bag. That's why I only could go live on one platform. But we're gonna go home. I'm gonna get all cozied up. I might have to jump in the hot tub and get warm. And then we will get ready and I'm gonna do an evening live. So thank you in advance. And you like, Paul, so you like the t-shirt with Oaky on it. Hey, so anybody that does place an order, I do want you to DM me on Instagram. And if you do, then I want to also send you a gem bracelet for the first 5 orders of people that are ordering our merch on our YouTube shop. So we are excited to share more with you. Thank you in advance, and Oaky sends his love and good energy to you guys. Keep an eye out. We'll be back later. Lots of hugs and loves. Bye. Oh, that's his casting. Oh, that was like the duck from last night. Gross. Ew. That one was like chunky. We just finished a live. I guess that's how he thanks me. That was actually fun. Reaches in. But
well,
yeah.
If I do a good drawing, I'll make sure I send you a print.
You better. You better. Leslie.
Leslie, I'm Shane.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
My name is Bryson.
Bryson?
Brighton.
Oh, Brighton.
Yeah.
Like the ski resort, you know?
Yeah, cool. All right, we'll see you guys later.
See you.